Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can download and configure latest version of Xampp server in your Windows machine. In the end of this video I'll show you demo by creating and running a PHP program so that you can easily understand how localhost works. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browsers and search for Xampp download. Click on the first link. This is the official site of Xampp. You can see the Xampp server. The recent releases are labeled here. It's available for all the three popular platforms: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I have a Windows PC, so click on that latest version, then save file. The download has started. After the complete download, go to the folder and double click on it. Click on next. Now these are the components that are to be installed during this process. You can choose what are the components you want to install, and accordingly they will be installed. This is the installation directory. If you want to change it, go to click on that icon and choose any location, but I let it the default one. Then click on next. It will start the installation process. It's a little bit longer process, so I fast forward the process, and after successful installation we will back. Now the installation has successful. This is the control panel through which you can control your servers. You can switch it on or off accordingly. They will react. You can see by default it's in stop mode. When you start it, you can see the admin button is enabled. You can directly open and access the GUI part of both the servers by clicking on that button. This is the dashboard of Apache server. By clicking on that PHP version, you can check it, the installed PHP version. Similarly in MySQL admin panel also, you can do your various database operations directly using graphical interface. These are the databases present over here. You can practice database queries directly from here, or you can click on the new button to create a new one. Let me create a database like named ITGT, then create button. You can see here the database ITGT is labeled here. Similarly, you can also create some tables like this. I don't want to waste any time. Now let me talk to you about the port numbers. By default it is 80. If you want to change it, go to that config button and it will navigate to you the http.conf file. It's a configuration file, and by scrolling down you will find the port number listen 80. If you want to change it, just stop the servers and make necessary changes, then save that file and again start the servers, and this time they will start or run in that port number that you have just had changed. I have already this port number assigned to my Oracle database, so I revert it back. Now you can see the process has reverted. Now let me show you demo program on how you can use this Xampp server as your local host. So go to the Xampp folder, and inside htdocs all that executable files are to be located. This is the by default dashboard index page, so we have to create our new directory, and inside it we'll create our php page named as test.php. I'll just print a hello world message over here. Make sure your servers are turned on. Now open any of your browsers, and in the URL bar type localhost, and by default the dashboard is opening, so we have to navigate to a folder named itgt, and it will list out all the available files inside it. Click on our file. You can see the message is printed successfully. Now by switching off our servers, let me show you. You can see this time there's no message over here because we have switched it off. Now again switch on our servers, you can able to see the message. So in this way you can understand how a local host or Xampp server is performing. Thanks for watching.